First meal mo?
Yes, this is my first meal. Ay, nako. 18 hours fasting from Kusina ni Gracia. Ito yung favorite kong palabok. Ito yung baked tahong. Ito naman yung baked cabbage roll. And may sorpresa. Ito naman yung dessert nila, mga sapin-sapin. Parang bibi-ube yata to, no? So, may dessert sila. And low carb po lahat yan. Pasok na pasok sa ating meal. Katatapos na ng patient ko, naghihintay pa ako ng 2 patient. And hopefully, dumating sila for another additional knowledge, learning, and continue nila ang kanilang lifestyle, itong advocacy. Be the best version of yourself. Bye!